What if everything you've learned about saving money is actually setting you up for failure? Most people diligently put money in the bank, only to realize years later that inflation quietly devoured their wealth, leaving them running in place. There's one single, powerful math trick the world's wealthiest investors rely on to predict and accelerate their growth, and you can master it in the next 5 minutes. For years, many of us feel stuck in a financial rut, working hard but watching our savings struggle to keep up with rising costs. The painful truth is that safety without growth is just stagnation. This is where the simple, 2-digit calculation known as the Rule of 72 changes everything. It is a formula so straightforward, you only need middle school math to use it. Take the number 72 and divide it by the annual return you expect on an investment. The answer immediately reveals the exact number of years it will take for your money to double. Think about that. You gain the power to predict your wealth trajectory, not just guess. For instance, if you target a 12% annual return, your money doubles in just 6 years, 72 divided by 12. If you only manage an 8% return, that time extends to 9 years. The Rule of 72 instantly shows you the exponential cost of settling for lower returns over time. This difference matters because it unlocks the true power of compounding, which is often misunderstood. The first doubling, say from $10,000 to $20,000, feels slow and unrewarding. It takes years of patience. However, compounding is a snowball effect, not a straight line. The doubling from $80,000 to $160,000 generates more new money in the same time frame than you started with. This is the momentum that turns a salary into real wealth. If this concept is already shifting how you think about your finances, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button. Your support helps us share these powerful, practical financial insights with more people. The most critical factor in this formula isn't luck or a high starting salary, it's time and consistency. We all know A. Marcos, who spent every raise on lifestyle upgrades, accumulating debt and living paycheck to paycheck. But you can be a Gabriel, making steady contributions, keeping expenses low, and letting time compound those small deposits into hundreds of thousands. The choice is not about how much you earn, it's about what you choose to do with the time you already have. The Rule of 72 is your lens for decision making. It proves that the future of your wealth is less about chasing the next paycheck and more about starting your investments right now. The best first move is always simple. Open an investment account today and set up an automatic transfer. Even a small amount is enough. Consistency, plus time, is the only multiplier you need. Use the Rule of 72, start your compounding journey, and watch your money finally start working harder than you do.